As a software developer, your focus is primarily on providing sophisticated applications for your clients, applications that provide value for their business and increase your own. Your commitment to the client will go beyond simply presenting him with a final product and will need to include further support in the implementation process within his own organization. As you ask yourself questions such as, how do you present to the client what you have actually achieved? How do you add value to your final product? And how do you provide support for the client in using the application? We are here to answer those questions. As a successful company, your proactive approach will translate into meeting the client's expectations for auxiliary instruments that help in the implementation and use of the application that you are providing. Your clients will expect to be able to quickly master the way the application works, pass on that information to the staff through training programs, and be able to access a manual for further reference. In today's dynamic working environment, this translates into more than just user manuals, always necessary for long-term support and reference. It means providing video and PowerPoint presentations for training and marketing use, as well as customized training modules and further support instruments. With a decade of expertise in developing these tools, Sigma Writings is the right answer to your questions. Studies and practices have shown that each support instrument you add to the software application you deliver to your client will have an increased marginal added value provided to the customer. With this in mind, starting with such instruments as a manual and online help, which any application should come with, and with a lower added value, providing additional tools such as a video presentation of application modules and complete training packages will significantly increase the delivered value. With these services being outsourced to Sigma Writings, the resources spent by your company will remain at low levels. Our experience and management theory has shown that contracting outside professionals to help you meet your clients' expectations in these areas has at least three huge benefits. One of them is a high strategic flexibility reflected in your ability to choose which of the services you should outsource, notably those that are not part of your core business activity. A second is the lack of any investment risk, since you'll be paying on a per project basis, following a very flexible approach that we at Sigma Writings believe in. Finally, the two benefits previously mentioned would also translate in an improved cash flow, as you are capitalizing on the added value provided to the clients, but also from increased strategic and financial flexibility as you outsource activities such as application manuals, video presentations, and training packages. At Sigma Writings, we believe that you should focus on your core development activities and let us concentrate on providing the best support instruments that will increase the added value that you provide to your clients. Sigma Writings is the appropriate choice in completing the link between your development competencies and the client's demand for complementary services. We believe that our services can add substantial value to the products that you are offering, and that this translates directly into increased customer retention and concrete metrics such as increased annual revenue and So, as you re-ask yourself some of the questions at the beginning of this presentation, as well as additional ones such as what is the missing branch and what is the need to successfully address and fulfill the client's needs and demands with a feedback service, let us answer those questions for you and contact us and let us link the dots and provide your solution on demand.